Hi friends, welcome to Shell scripting tutorial. My name is Ravi. This is the one more session with Shell scripting series of tutorial. Okay, this is the 19th video session. We are going to see few more commands which can help you to edit your scripts or replace your script whatever the configuration you want to change it. So using these commands you can uh, do it, or else if you want to make some reports, or do you want to collect some status of your script execution status, or the socket opened status, or the IP address, all the stuff you can learn here using these commands. The command is called set. Okay, streamline editor. Okay, stream editor. Okay, and one more is awk. Okay, which is actually there are more and more with this sed and awk, but we are going to learn few which are very useful for us in our scripting. Okay, one more is netstat command. Okay, another one is if config. Okay, one more is ftp and mail command. Okay, this is very going to be a little bit big one, so we can just see few more examples with those commands, and we can wrap up the session here. Okay, let's see here. First of all, sed is a stream editor used for modifying files in Unix or Linux whenever you want to make change to the file automatically. Okay, so it comes in handy to do that. Okay, let's say I have example one file here. Okay, so I have written something like this. If I don't want to edit that file and write something in that file. Okay, I just wanted to send some uh, stream commands to that, so that the file will be modified as like I want. Okay, let's see here. What's that example file here? This one I want to replace this Arkit word line to the different any string, whatever the string I want. Okay, so if I use sed command, okay, we have to use s to replace for the string replacing specified string. Okay, so just I want to Arkit to be replaced, you have to provide the first one, and then which one you want to replace. Next one you have to provide with which one you wanted to replace. So I want to just say tech tutorials and comma, sorry, it is on a single quotation. We have to write in the single quotation. Why we have to write in the single quotation? Because it does not, maybe sometimes we may type here it is the commands, so that why if it is written in a single quotation, it will not send it to your terminal, it will be sent to your sed. Okay, that's why we will write it into the single quotation here. Okay, let's see here. So this is the output. So what happens here, it is just changed my Arkit of the first word, in the sense this one, first one only is changed, but second one is not changed, third one also is not changed. Okay, if you want to change a few occurrences, okay, how many numbers of occurrences you wanted to change, you can just type like this. Okay, I want to change any 2 occurrences, second one has been changed. Okay, if you want to change all of your occurrences, you can just say G, so that it will change all of your occurrences, in the sense which position of the string you wanted to change here, you can just take that position and change there. Okay, see here is the second position. Here I did not mention any position. By default it will change the first one. Okay, if you want to change a all these occurrences in the sense where there is an hierarchy ID is changed with the tech tutorials, like that you can use the G option here, second occurrence here, just on a replace of first one. Okay, like that you can just replace the strings. Okay, if you want to maybe do on a few occurrences, like only I want to change the second occurrence from second occurrence to all the occurrences. Okay, you can also use like this 2G, in the sense it will change only from second occurrence to all the occurrences, it will leave the first occurrences, first one. Okay, like that you can also do. Sometimes I have a script, the script just I want to comment one line and verify. Then what you have to do, you have to edit all the stuff, like the code may be like it goes 20 lines, 30 lines, 40 lines, something like that. I want to, you have to open that and comment it. Instead of opening the file and comment the line, you can also do here using the set command. Okay, how you can, so actually I am not replacing this file. Okay, I am just showing that how the output will be. If you type here -i sed -i, so entire the file will be changed, but here I am just showing for the how it will be replaced first. Then you can just to type the -, with I option, the same one, so that it will be replaced. So what I am doing here, it is I want to comment this ARKIT line, this line, the word. Okay, what I'm doing here, it is I'm using a pipe cap symbol. Cap symbol, what I'm saying here, it is cap in the sense which one is starting line, in the sense starting line, in the sense line starting whatever it contains, in the sense I'm saying ARKIT which is contained. Okay, sorry, you have to, why I'm doing this escape characters here, it is because whenever you use this escape character here, the in front of that character will be calculated as null, in the sense it will calculate as nothing will be there in front of that, or else the special symbol bracket or hash or something that will not take into the comments. That's why we have to escape them, saying that there is no, nothing is there. Okay, so what I'm doing here, it is dollar with the hash. Okay, just to say hash on the one occurrence. Okay, and on the set example. Now what happens here, it is the ARKIT line has been commented. So if you want to permanently change the file, you can just to say I. Okay, now see here the file has been commented. Okay, without I, you can just type it, it will show you where it is changing. Like that you can do your string replacements. Okay, commenting, if you want to replace some text. Okay, sometimes this is difficult that if you want to replace this // okay, forward slash or backward slash, then how we can do that? Okay, that example we are going to see now. Okay, set command, just to type it here, and s say http colon. Okay, and every backslash you just escape with the character. This looks like awkward, right? But still we have to do like this. Okay, now what I'm saying here, it is replace my www with httpr. You just add the http colon / with the www. Okay, and set example here. What happens here, it is it will remove this http:// and it will put the www dot. See, okay, and it's a simple example to replace your text. It's very handy when you are using these. Okay, if you want to comment the particular lines, okay, using the set command you can also do that. Using the set command, particular line, you can specify the line number and delete the line numbers. Okay, insert some lines. Okay, end of the files, starting of the files. There are so many examples with this head, but as I'm showing, so I want to show you one more thing here. It is that, okay, replacing the string on specified line. Okay, you can just say sed, okay, number line, okay, line number 3, and I want to say, okay, just to say arkit / tech tutorials. So here what happens, here it is, it will replace your third line only, it will not replace anything. See what happens, it replaces only the third line. Whatever the third line is there, that is only it's replaced. Like that, if you want to replace only the second line, okay, you can do like this. If you want to do on a multiple lines, like 2 and 3rd, you can also do like this. So it will be very handy tool whenever you dealing with a big lines of scripts. You just no need to edit them, you can just send an stream commands to that. If you want to delete a particular lines, I want to say delete the third line, okay, you can just say 3, okay, like this, 3 line, third line, delete from this. So third line has been deleted. Okay, let's see here. So I did not send the command with the I, that's why it does not delete it. Okay, if you want to delete it permanently, you can just say I now. See, the third line has been deleted. Like that, if you want to delete multiple lines, if you want to duplicate the lines, if you want to, so many examples are there with this. Okay, this is just I think this is just enough for us for the scripting to do few examples. Of course we need few more examples, but this is going to be long session, that's why I'm just ending up with the set command. Okay, let's move to the awk. Okay, so this awk, what happens here, it is awk will provide you is in a very full report making or the text manipulation tool, which can be print in the columns, rows separately. Okay, awk has built a string functions and associative arrays. Okay, as well as awk supports most of operations, conditional blocks, and available in C language. In a sense, what are the conditionals blocks are available, or operators are available in the C language, which will be also works on the awk. Okay, awk is the one of the good thing we can use awk command along with other commands to achieve the required output. Okay, let's say here, let's take an example. I have made a awk example file here. This is an example file. Okay, now I want to print all the I don't want to print all the stuff here. I want to print only the file names and the username. Okay, you can also do like this. Okay, say cat and sending this command output to the next command. Okay, awk, and say open braces and print what are the which column I have to print. Okay, this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column, seventh column, eighth column, ninth column. Okay, I want to print a 1 2 3 third column and ninth column. Okay, just to specify $3 here, comma $9 here, and that's it. So now your third and ninth column has been printed, so remaining has been eliminated. Okay, so every space or the semicolon or the dot will be calculated as a delimiter here. Okay, space also will take it as a delimiter here. If you want to do something like fourth column also I want to add here, you can also do like this, 4. Okay, so that will be very useful, very useful to print your things. So I just wanted to do some calculations here, okay, using the awk command. So what are the numbers are there in the column number 7? I just want to sum them. In a sense, I want to just sum the calculation here. So what I can do here, awk begin begin the session. In the sense the script is beginning. Okay, you can just say sum 0. Okay, and sum equal to sum place $7, sum place $7, and close these braces. Okay, end, and print the result, print some value here. Okay, and what is the example file here, this one. So what happens here, it is, it just print the total value of the, sorry, I just made some mistake here, it would be $7. Okay, so what happens here, it is the 7th one, 30 into 10, it will be 300, 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, so that will be 300. So like that you can also do some calculations using the awk command. Okay, you can just print out, or if you want to do some math using the different if you write some awk script here. Okay, what I'm going to do here, it is I will just write a little bit some awk command here, some awk. Okay, what I'm just writing some stuff here. Okay, next to say slash yes sir slash bin slash awk -f. Okay, -f is compulsory here. So begin the script. Okay, and what I have written in the command, I'm writing the same here. Okay, there is no change, but I'm writing this one as a script. Sum place $7 and end, print the result, print sum, that's it. Save this one. Now I have saved the file. So what I'm doing here, it is I'm executing this file with the example of this file. In the sense, I'm providing the, I don't want to write all this stuff, so you can write the piece of code into the file and you can execute it. Okay, like this. If you have a different file, okay, let's say I want to create one more file. Okay, you can just create it using the -l also, and then you can just provide that file also, it will calculate. Okay, like that you can also use. So find the string, next one is find a string and print matched line. Find the string and print the matched line. Okay, let's say here I have different usernames here, right? Arkit, I have root, I have, okay, groups also, I have root, but out of it I want to print only the matched content is Arkit. In the sense, these 2 lines only I want to print, I don't want to print remaining lines. Okay, How you can do that? Using the awk, okay, then specify the process condition if, okay, I'm specifying specifically $3, okay. $3 in the sense I want to print only from $3, okay. Match your content in, look at the third column of the third column, and if it is matched with this content, then print a total line, okay. Like this you can just specify your awk example. So what happens here, it is printed only 2 lines. So what I did here, it is if a $3 in the sense third line, that column, if it is matches the word called arkit, then print all the stuff of your line. So $0 in the sense it will print entire line, okay. So like that you can just do a simple script which will be do your job, okay. You have so many examples here. Actually you can also increment the values, calculate the strings, okay, separate an input field, okay. Anything you can do here, but most probably this would be a little bit helpful for you whenever you are doing some stuff on the script, okay. So we can make one more awk separate, or the said separate examples, so we can just see that, right. Now we are going to see that vmstat command. What does this vmstat command is do here? It is vmstat is a tool that reports data about your machines processor, free memory, swap, IO utilization, and the CPU utilization resource, okay. All the real-time statistics you can collect using this vmstat, okay. To check Linux machine performance monitoring with vmstat command, it's very easy, okay. You can also check and capture real-time stats, okay, the processor, memory, swap segmentation, okay, and IO utilization, system like interrupts per second, how many interrupts you are getting, okay, including the clock. Then CPU utilization, like we already see in the top command, like what is the user utilization, system utilization, idle time, wait time, okay. So time stolen, all the stuff. So you can also get the stats using the vmstat command here, vmstat -a. So it will give the all the different values in real time in the sense whatever the current usage now it is executing, so it will give you that stuff here, okay. If you want only the display the forks since the last boot, okay, you can just do the how many forks has been executed, okay. Display the slab information, okay, you can just type the m command, so it will execute all the slabs information currently, okay. If you want to verify with the timestamp, you can also use a vmstat, okay, -t, which will give you the exact timestamp as well. I want to see only the display every 3 seconds for 10 lines timestamp. You can also specify the time with like this, so it will specify every 3 seconds. The display will be 3 seconds up to 10 lines like this. We can also see a real-time information using the vmstat, okay. There are much more to learn about the vmstat, but this would be very helpful for us to check it out what happening whenever you execute some script. Sometimes the loops went wrong, then your memory utilization or the CPU utilization will go very high. That time you can just analyze using these commands, so that it will be very useful for you. Next one is the netstat command. Netstat command is very handy whenever you want to, sometimes you create some sockets. In a sense, whenever you open a listening port from here to there, then you want to just see the port is really listening or not. Okay, you can also use netstat hyphen like this and enter. So it will show you all those listening ports. See here, the what is the port number, port type, the TCP or UDP or whatever this one, and protocol name, and receiving queue, sending queue, okay, local IP address, and destination for destination IP address. Okay, local IP address in the sense your local system IP address, and port number, which port number to which port number, the port number the connection has been established. Okay, whether state is listening or sleeping or established, okay, or it is not listening, like that. So what is the PID is using, okay, PID or program name, with what is the program name it is using here, like this command netstat -tunlp will be very useful to see your whether existing socket numbers, instant port number has been already listening to your remote or not. Okay, so as like ftp command is just useful to you, like whenever you want to it, command has been not installed in this. Okay, so that's why it's so ftp, you can just provide the remote server username and IP address. Say let's say 10.20.29.30.40 or 40.50, like it is going to connect to that machine, and whenever it is connected to that machine, you can just play with that command, like put command. So you can just put your existing data to that ftp upload, okay, download. You can also do get, okay, and you can also do ls command there, so the ftp listing, all the stuff will be provided to you. So just like uploading some data from different machine to different machine, transferring data from different machine to different machine, you can use this ftp protocol to transfer it. Okay, so one more, the last one is that mail command. Okay, how does this mail works here? Okay, so if you type just mail, you can verify your mails, what are the mails are there. So you can just type the email number. So there are the email, different email numbers will be available here. So if you type that email number, so the email will be read here. So some full crash happened. So what happened here, it is, it sent a message like that. Just press q to exit from the queue. So mail command also can be used to send messages to the different users. So now what I'm doing here is I'm just duplicating the session here. Okay, just to say, okay, just let me adjust a window here and login as I don't know. Okay, maybe I can verify quickly that whether my admin is there or not. Okay, I think admin user is there. Admin, because I want to send the mails to this user. Okay, that's why I'm just opening the session here. So I already have the 8 mails in this. So now I want to send some mails from here to there. So you can also send mail -s local user. You can also send, say that hello admin and say username. So here in place of username, you can also specify it your email address, so that it will send in a message to your press Ctrl C, and it will send you on a mail message to your admin. Oh sorry, you have to press Ctrl D here. Okay, and let's verify here. You didn't get any mail from the root. See, say hello admin, it's got. You can just say new message. You can just say 8380. So say subject has been hello, but there is no body line here. I did not get any body line here. So if you want to get that body line as well, so what you can do here, it is you can do like this as well. Okay, just to say echo testing email, and I'm sending this to the next command. So it will also send you a mail with the single line of code. Okay, 381. Now hello admin, and there is a body message as well. Okay, if you want to send some attachment or some file text to the user, okay, what I can do here, it is I can just copy this one, and I can redirect the set example to the file. So it will send the set example content as a body, this one as your subject. Okay, now go to your admin and just to say mail and 382. See here, the subject has been hello admin, and see your mail content. Okay, like that you can send your stuff. If you want to mark a CC or BCC users, or if you want to send as an attachment, you can also send as an attachment using the -a option. So it will send you the said example file as an attachment. Okay, sometimes it will not allow you to send due to if you have a network restriction, something like that. Okay, okay, so now if you want to mark any users as a CC, then you can just use C as a CC. So admin only I'm marking as a CC here, I did not have any. Okay, I want to make it as a root as a BCC, localhost, then you can send this message. Okay, set example, right? Just go to the mail here, I got an email delivery undelivered, third column. See, I got the message. See who is in CC, BCC, CC. Okay, like this your message is going to deliver to your, because this mail message is very important for us. Sometimes you write in a script, the script should send an output to your mail. Okay, whenever it is executed, the results will be delivered to your mail. You can just use this mail command to send the output. Okay, this is about the session. Thanks for watching. If you like it, press like button. If you did not like it, press dislike button. Okay, if you want to give some feedback to this video, okay, comment on the below comment section. If you want to stay tuned with us, you can just press on subscribe button. You will be member of this community. Thanks for again.